Hi everybody, today I'm going to share with you the meetup that I held last week on June 1st, Saturday, in Medford, Oregon. We had such fun and there was a very special guest, so stay tuned. So as I said, today you're going to get to see the meetup that I held. And for those of you that might be new to my channel, I have been down for a while and have only been doing live chats because my computer broke. But thanks to my wonderful viewers and friends and our patrons on MEANDER, I now have a new Mac Air and am enjoying getting videos back up again. Also, if you're new to my channel, it might be helpful to know that I have a traumatic brain injury, and this video channel is about my life traveling in my beautiful camper van, Fancy Free. I hope you enjoy the video today and getting to meet the people that showed up at the meetup. We had such a great time. So I found some of them.
So you just joined.
You found some more?
Yeah. Guys, let's start introducing ourselves.
I'm Diane
I'm Glenn.
Diane and Glenn.
from California.
From California. Thank you for being here today. Carolyn and I really appreciate it.
Hi, I'm Lauren. I'm from Oregon.
Lauren from
Yeah.
Oregon. Yay, you had to travel a long ways.
A few hours.
Oh, that's right. You
Yeah.
were like 250 miles, something like that. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Patty from California.
Patty, and thank you for my beautiful earrings.
Thank you, Debra.
I'm Crystal. I'm from Oregon.
Oregon, all right. Okay, so there's two more coming from about 250 miles away in Oregon.
Hi, I'm Rose. Sometimes I'm from South Carolina, sometimes Nevada, sometimes Oregon.
You sound like a
sometimes
nomad.
Washington State. Sometimes, it just depends.
I love it. Thank you, Rose. Thanks for being here.
I'm Nelda from Vancouver, Washington.
Hi, Nelda. And your other half decided to stay down the hill in his chair.
Yeah.
Well, this is for you, Jerry. We miss you. He says, I'm not going to miss anything because I can still hear y'all.
Hi, I'm Daryl. I'm from Oregon.
I'm Kimberly and I'm from Oregon.
Oregon, awesome. How far did you guys have to come?
23 miles.
Oh, my
It's our
goodness.
backyard.
Y'all get the award for being the closest.
Oh,
There we
awesome.
go.
That's
Yeah, we live in
wonderful.
Gold Hill. It's just right up the road off the I-5.
Great. Thank you for being here.
Sure.
you. Nice
Thanks
to
for
meet
having
you.
us.
Hi, I'm Carol, and this is my granddaughter Remy. I'm originally from San Diego, California, and I've transplanted up here to make this my home base. I travel in a Class A RV, and I'm full-time, and I drag my little mini car behind me, and she's my co-pilot sometimes.
Awesome. Do you like traveling?
Hi, I'm Cheryl. I'm from Medford, Oregon, and that's where I still am, just gathering lots of information for hopefully my soon future.
I'm Judy, and I was born in Erie, Pennsylvania. I've been living in Oregon since 1962. I live in Roseburg, Oregon, and I just retired about a year or so ago from 30 years with BLM as an engineer.
Nice. Thank you for your service.
And I have just been traveling in the summer times. Last summer I put on 11,000 miles, and the summer before 9,000 miles.
Good deal.
And I want to go full time someday.
Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for attending our seminar at the RTR. Love your shirts, Howa, and Rubber Tramp Rendezvous. Way to go.
Hey, this is Frankie and Barley, and I'm April. We're from Waldport, Oregon. Traveled down this morning. It was really foggy. But I grew up in Phoenix, just down the road there, 3 miles from here. So this is sort of my territory. So
Wonderful.
Nice to see y'all.
Thank you for coming out, and thank you for letting us all have some dog love today.
Oh yeah.
Hi, Debra. Hi, Debra's viewers. Nice to see you.
Thank you, Carolyn, and thank you for being here today.
Thanks for inviting me to your meet and greet and allowing me to invite my patrons and come out here and meet our viewers and patrons and have a wonderful afternoon here in Oregon.
It
Thank you,
is
Debra.
awesome. Yeah, two for one.
2 for 1. Thanks, Debra.
It was great to see Carolyn. We met our I think, camped together the first time in, ironically, Sisters, Oregon about 3 years ago in 2016. She hadn't been on the road very long, and since then we've become good friends. In fact, recently even more so. Out here there's a saying that people come and they go, and that's what we do, and it's often that you don't get to see your friends, and so when you do, you really treasure them. And that's true for me, especially my friends from what I call the old days, which isn't that long. I've been on the road in Fancy Free since 2015, and it's been a wonderful 4 years. I can't believe how much my life has changed and my relationships have expanded. During the meetup, Carolyn and I both took people that wanted to go see our rigs and did a tour. Everyone loved Fancy Free. She is exactly what I need and want, and the culmination of the design and the solar system that I have for power, everything is what I've learned over the last 4 years, and I just love her. And we will be showing a final tour of Fancy Free on To Meander soon. I will be finishing up the decor when I go back to my friend Joan's house, and I really appreciate her and love her. And then I will also on my channel show the details of what all I did and how I did it and who did what and all of that. So stay tuned on To Meander for the final camper van reveal, and the details then will be on my channel coming up soon. I'm trying to catch up on videos now that I have my new Mac Air.
What were you saying? Beautiful day. Love it.
I like your paint.
So we're headed back to the pavilion, and I get more puppy love.
Hi, I'm Jen. I'm from Corvallis, Oregon.
And I'm Sammy, Jen's daughter, and I'm from Corvallis, Oregon as well.
You guys are awesome, and thank you for buying my books. Look at that.
Can't wait to start reading it. Thank you.
Thanks for being here, everybody. Stay tuned for the bloopers at the end, and I hope you enjoyed this meetup as much as we did. Robert and I are going to try to have more mini meetups along the way. I will be joining him in late August, early September, and we hope to have a meetup in Gillette, Wyoming. We will let you know about that soon. We're working on the details now, so stay tuned. We'll let you know about that on To Meander, on his channel, Robert Witham, and of course here on my channel. And thank you for being here today. We'll see you down the road, everybody. Coming up are the bloopers, but if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so and ring the bell down below. Leave me a comment. Okay. Hi.
I'm Carolyn.
Carolyn. Thank you for doing this joint meetup with me today.
Thank you for inviting me. I'm so excited, and also, you're welcome, and it's nice to be here. Thank you.
Okay, everybody get real quiet and just look at them. So as I said, I hope you enjoyed today and getting to meet the people that showed up at the meetup. We again had such a great time.